Conversation starter material number 3. Do you know the only source of sodium is salt, and the only source of chlorine is salt? That's right. The periodic table of elements tells us that salt is sodium chloride. I am reviewing this book that we found at the used bookstore. It is the 2012, I think about 8th or 9th grade public school issued book in my county, and I've started to go through it. In any case, it doesn't go into what I'm talking about, but I wanted to just show you the famous periodic table of elements, and you'll notice that salt is not there, but sodium, Na, and Cl, chloride, are both here, and both of them, NaCl, are not naturally occurring anywhere except in salt. And I would like to maybe do another 2 minutes about the importance of understanding why chlorine pools should all be switched to salt water pools.